How to clear app cache and make your iPhone faster. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear app cache on your iPhone to free up space and speed things up. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Once in it, go to Search bar at top and open Safari. Now scroll down a bit and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm it. This will clear cached files, cookies, and browsing data. Now go back to Settings. Once in it, scroll through and tap on General. Now tap iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a list of apps and how much space they're using. Tap any app you don't use often, then tap Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your documents and data safe. You can reinstall it anytime without losing anything. And that's how you clear app cache and make your iPhone faster without using any third-party apps. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and comment below if you want a full storage cleanup guide. That's all for the video.